Photoshop AI Generative Fill.
Photoshop AI Generative Fill is a new feature in Photoshop that uses artificial intelligence to fill in missing or incomplete areas of an image. This can be useful for a variety of tasks, such as removing unwanted objects, adding missing details, or creating new compositions. To use Photoshop AI Generative Fill, first, select the area of the image that you want to fill. Then, click on the Fill button in the toolbar and select AI Generative Fill. Photoshop will then generate a number of different possible fills, which you can preview and choose from. Photoshop AI Generative Fill is still under development, but it has the potential to be a very powerful tool for image editing. It can be used to quickly and easily fix problems with images or to create new and creative compositions. Here are some of the things that you can do with Photoshop AI Generative Fill. Remove unwanted objects. You can use Photoshop AI Generative Fill to remove unwanted objects from an image. For example, you could use it to remove a person from a photo or to remove a background from an image. Add missing details. You can use Photoshop AI Generative Fill to add missing details to an image. For example, you could use it to add a missing eye to a face or to add a missing limb to a body. Create new compositions. You can use Photoshop AI Generative Fill to create new compositions from existing images. For example, you could use it to combine two images into one or to create a collage from a number of images. Here are some of the limitations of Photoshop AI Generative Fill. It is not always perfect. Photoshop AI Generative Fill is still under development, and it is not always perfect. Sometimes it can make mistakes, such as filling in areas with the wrong color or texture. It can be slow. Photoshop AI Generative Fill can be slow, especially for large images. It requires a lot of data. Photoshop AI Generative Fill requires a lot of data to train and run. This means that it can only be used on computers with a lot of memory and storage space. Overall, Photoshop AI Generative Fill is a powerful new tool that has the potential to revolutionize image editing. However, it is still under development, and it has some limitations.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share my channel.